Hey, what up YouTube? Got another round of boxes, Absolute 2010. Same card show, those first three weren't so great, so we'll try another three. We'll start with box 93. Certainly got to do a little better than what we did last night, so let's hope for the best. Hope for the best. Okay, there's our 4 minis. Pack 1. Okay, our rookie is Kyle Wilson. That's out of $2.99. Dwayne Bowe, Jason Campbell. Oh, cool. Our RPM rookie is Jimmy Clausen, numbered 191 out of 299 auto. Scratch ball, scratch. Good first pack right there, Jimmy Clausen. Okay. Straight on to pack number 2. That was already better than last night. Last night was a little brutal. Okay, first off we got a War Room of CJ Spiller, numbered 8 of 50. Got a lot of glare. Roddy White. Oh, cool. We got an NFL Icons of D.D. Lewis of the Cowboys, so that'll go straight into the PC. 24 of 25, jersey. There we go, try that. Jersey and auto, 24 of 25. D.D. Lewis. Alright, definitely a better start than last night. Next pack, looks like we got Romo on the front. Okay, our rookie is Russell Okong. That's out of $2.99. Eli Manning, Tony Romo, and we have jersey tandems of Carson Palmer and Chad Ochocinco, numbered 53 of 100. 53 of 100. Bengals, last pack, first box. Okay, our rookie is Jarrett Brown. That's out of 50. James Laurinaitis, Matt Moore, and we got another RPM, and this time it happens to be Prime. Both white jerseys, figures. 32 out of 50 of Tim Tebow. So we just got Tebowed. Too bad them patches aren't a little better, but hey, can't be too picky now, can we? Alright, so we got, let's see, we got the Tebow, the dual, we got the D.D. Lewis jersey auto, and we got the Clausen RPM. Solid box right there. Alright YouTube, be right back with box number 2 later.